Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm back with you today as promised. I think I promised anyway. Start working on this little project here. Couple things have to be moved first, like this soldering station. Well, they're going to get my big fat head here in the way, but you know, hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I'll probably take another go too. Get this all done, can't say around a little bit. It's out of the way. Anyway, I'll do this. Take as hard as I can. I want to say thank you guys. Get that way. And let's see, we have the, what is the lights? No, not lights. Oh, I don't do that. Huh. I'm not sure what it is. Not it. No, not that. Huh. Well, got something plugged up. I don't even know what it is. I think it's going to take, I'm sure it's going to take both of those being out of there, Schlitz and the receptacle. I just don't think there's enough room to get everything in there. 9 inches. Yeah, 9 inches. So put right in the middle of that plug, receptacle. I don't know why I say plug instead of receptacle. I'm going to do. Trying to get away without having to unplug everything, but it looks like I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to take these sockets out, and I've got to figure out where in the world that thing's going to. It's amazing that you... Oh, it's this light here. Duh. Yes, okay, that's right there. Get down here. Some of this I don't think we're probably going to do. Although none of the things I have to. Let's take this up. Let's take a rock, see what's underneath here. I'll get switched tomorrow. Hey, whatever. I can probably take out my hard out and everything. I'm probably going to have it. So, no big deal. I'll see what it's like. And do so. Let's see. Alright, got that out of the way. Next will be the receptacle. Once that's out of the way, then we can mount the transformer. It's going a lot smoother than I thought. I don't, again, recommend working with live electricity like this. But, again, if you know what you're doing, you know, hey, you know what you're doing. And probably nobody's going to tell you different, so... This is the way it works. This is a little different because it's difficult, because it's got 2 wires going to it. These are right here, so that's going to be a little bit trickier. So that's the hot wire in. Hot wire in for the plug itself, so apparently, this would be electrical hot wire. This is the thing, you know. You can confirm it. I'll put the camera over there here. And you guys probably treated. So that just look at all this rusty gold stuff. So, yeah, I'm pointing. This is, that's not pointing. So it's lights on that. Yep, this is all right there. Alright, so, if I take a, what do you call it over that? First, it should be no problem. My what's going in the it. So, let's see what I do with this one here. Yep, that's it. I can get it all. It's a plus. Now we have everything out of the way. Get that out of there before we short something out. I've got to get this get this cord out of the way. It keeps hanging up on things, hanging me up. Get that out of there. Get that out of the way. And I'll get this around here. I think there's enough wire there. Now I have, as you see, I have plenty of room to get in there and position that transformer in there. And I can put these back. Not sure where yet, but anyway, I'm going to do a little break here.